Today I am reviewing Skytech Archangel Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Skytech Gaming Archangel Desktop PC is designed for gamers who want power, speed, and reliability without compromise. Right from the start, the specifications tell you this machine is built for serious gaming and performance. At its core, it features the AMD Ryzen 750-700 processor running at 3.7 GHz with the ability to boost up to 4.6 GHz. This ensures smooth multitasking, lightning-fast responsiveness, and seamless performance, whether you're gaming, streaming, or running heavy applications. With 8 cores and 16 threads, this processor makes short work of demanding titles and creative workloads like video editing or 3D rendering. Paired with this powerhouse CPU is the AMD Radeon RX 6600 graphics card with 8 GB of GDDR6 VRAM. This dedicated GPU ensures stunning visuals and immersive gameplay, allowing you to experience your favorite AAA titles at ultra settings and detailed 1440p resolution. The RX 6600 handles modern games with ease, delivering well above 60 frames per second, making it perfect for competitive games like Valorant, Fortnite, Apex Legends, or Counter-Strike 2, as well as more demanding titles such as ELDEN RING, Cyberpunk 2077, or the upcoming Grand Theft Auto 6. The visual clarity, fast rendering, and ability to push high frame rates make this a solid graphics card choice for gamers who don't want to compromise on quality. Storage is another area where the Skytech Archangel excels. Equipped with a massive 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD, it provides speeds up to 30 times faster than traditional hard drives. This means near-instant boot-up times, quick game load screens, and faster access to all your files and programs. You won't be waiting around when you could already be diving straight into your next gaming adventure. With this much storage, you can install multiple large games and still have plenty of space for your files, media, and creative projects. The system also comes with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM running at 3,200 MHz, which is the sweet spot for modern gaming and multitasking. It ensures you can smoothly run several applications at once while gaming without lag or slowdown. For most users, 16 GB is more than enough. But since the system includes 4 memory slots, you can easily expand the RAM in the future if you want even more power for streaming, content creation, or running virtual machines. Cooling and design are other strong points of this PC. The Skytech Archangel features a high-performance air cooler combined with ARGB fans that not only deliver maximum airflow, but also add a stylish touch to your setup. The sleek white Archangel gaming case with front mesh allows for better airflow and keeps components at optimal temperatures even during long gaming marathons. The case looks modern and clean, making it perfect for gamers who also value aesthetics. The included ARGB lighting can be customized to match your setup, giving you the full gaming vibe. Connectivity is well thought out with plenty of USB ports, HDMI, and DisplayPort options. It also comes with built-in Wi-Fi 8.0 2.11 AC, so you don't need to worry about running long cables for internet access if you prefer wireless. The system includes HD audio and a microphone port, perfect for gamers who want clear voice communication during multiplayer sessions. Plus, Skytech throws in a free gaming keyboard and mouse, which is a great bonus for anyone building a new setup. Out of the box, the Skytech Archangel comes with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, giving you access to the latest features, improved security, and better gaming optimizations. What's even better is that the PC is free of bloatware, meaning you get a clean system without unnecessary programs slowing things down. This ensures every ounce of performance is dedicated to what you want to do, gaming, creating, or streaming. Skytech also backs this machine with a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, along with lifetime free technical support, so you can buy with confidence knowing help is always available if you need it. The fact that it's assembled in the USA adds to its credibility, showing the company's commitment to quality builds and reliable service. Overall, the Skytech Gaming Archangel Desktop PC strikes an excellent balance between power, performance, and price. It is built for gamers who want smooth gameplay at ultra settings, fast storage, and reliable components, all wrapped in a stylish design. With its Ryzen 7 processor, Radeon RX 6600 graphics, 1TB SSD, and 16GB of RAM, this PC is more than capable of handling today's demanding games while being future-proof enough to tackle upcoming titles. If you are looking for a pre-built gaming desktop that delivers outstanding value and performance right out of the box, the Skytech Archangel is an easy recommendation.